Welcome back to Handicap Vehicle Services. Here's another video of a beautiful 2021 Chrysler Voyager with the Braun in-floor conversion. This is very popular because the ramp retracts in underneath the floor. This is a one owner, very low mileage unit. There's a picture of the rear bench seat. There's the front end, the dashboard. It has an easy lock system already installed in the vehicle, which is super nice. We can certainly equip your chair to be secured in there. Silver in color, miles in the 40,000 range. This has had one previous owner. It is on our website at hvsu.com along with other vehicles. One of the more popular ones with the XT conversion gives us additional headroom on the inside. If you have any questions, thoughts, please give us a shout. 918-622-8400. Thanks for viewing.